In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, go to contacts, let me pick some contact without a picture, and if we don't have one yet, okay, so we'll create some contact, and it can be Tim or Timmy, so we don't have two teams. Let me add this phone number, tap on plus. Okay, so let me save this contact, and then whenever you'd like to add photo to this contact, just locate Timmy. Here it is. Tap on info, and here you can smoothly edit it by tapping on edit. Now tap on camera icon in the middle of the screen, and you can either pick one from the prepared pictures here. As you can see, you've got plenty of them. You can create memoji, you can add one from those pictures, but you can also, let me go back there, pick something from your gallery or grab a photo if someone is staying right in front of you. So let me choose something from gallery, choose the picture, then you can customize it, tap on done, and click on save then. And that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to Timmy, and whenever he will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add photo to a contact in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.